Water is the essence of life and birthright for everyone. We are there to make it available to all. Water crisis is a huge problem. There's no explanation required for that. However, today our main focus will be on the problems faced during the supplying of water. Following the AI project cycle, we first have problem scoping. In the problem statement template, we have the 4 W's. Who? The stakeholders are the people of India who don't have access to clean drinking water. What? The two biggest problems we are facing today are 1. Supplying treated water from the sewage treatment plant to the homes is a challenging task, particularly in remote areas, requiring man labor, energy use, time, etc. Second, now suppose that water has been transported to all your houses. But how are you so sure that the water you get is clean and worth drinking? You don't know from where the water passed and with which chemicals it mixed. Where? The problem is in all parts of India, particularly the remote areas. Now it's convenient to understand who the people are that would be benefited by our solution, what is to be solved, and where the solution is to be deployed. And now we present to you Watertastic. We would now like to take you through the website we have made as part of our solution. This is the main page of our website. We have two aims: providing clean water to everyone and making the supplying process as seamless as possible. We have designed a mechanism to check the quality of water at repeated intervals and checkpoints before finally dispatching it to the respective homes. In simpler words, as the water will flow from the STPs to the respective homes, there will be small checkpoints through which the water will pass. Sensors like non-contact digital water sensor and a few others will check the quality of water and provide real-time data which will be updated on the website. It would give an analysis of how clean the water is, will compare it with the previous water quality, and will inform whether the water quality has deteriorated or not. This information will enable everybody to be sure of the kind of water reaching their homes. At the final checkpoint, we would have a machine similar to this one, through which all the water bottles will get filled. There is a main pipe through which the water will come into the machine and then get filled. Over the whole process, an AI component with the real-time data will determine if the water is clean or not. We also have supporting graphs to help in understanding the variations better. The second solution comes just after this, which is about easing the supply chain of water. For example, if a person is going from New Delhi to Ghaziabad, he or she can go to our website and fill a form, which will then, based on the information, connect them to the desired STP authority who wants water bottles to be delivered from New Delhi to Ghaziabad. In this way, we would save much more money, labor, petrol, and time. And the person taking all the bottles will get an incentive and a certain share of money. The final bottles will have this QR code, which will take the person to our data analysis part of our website for that specific product, so that they could check the variation in the quality of water from the STP to the final destination. Next step of the project cycle is data acquisition. We shall be getting the training data for the AI from the output and analysis done by the various sensors, which will estimate the amount of heavy metals in the water and will tabulate the responses. For data exploration, in order to understand the problem better, we have made some graphs from the water quality data sets already available on Kaggle. They can be found in the analysis part of our website. In the future, we shall be creating our own data set from the data we get from the sensors, and we shall create our own graphs to understand the data and the variations. As for modeling, we have used the SVM, KNN, and Naive Bayes algorithm. After evaluating each of their performances, we have come to the conclusion that the performance of the SVM algorithm was top-notch and very superior as compared to the others. This is where we complete the AI project cycle.